He's gonna be so stoked. He's more stoked on the bike than his daughter probably will be. Good morning, YouTube. So I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. I've been wanting to do one. I don't know, I got busy for Black Friday, and then I kind of had that period where I was just feeling down and didn't really want to do anything. But then I think ultimately I realized that not doing this was making me a little bit unhappy, just because I set out to make a video a day and I wasn't doing that. And I do thoroughly enjoy doing the filming and the editing and the learning of the whole thing. So back on it. It's a beautiful Monday morning. Actually, I don't know if it's beautiful. It's like 5:50. It's dark outside. Everything's wet. Like it had just gotten done raining. On my way to work.
What can I get going for you?
Can I get a venti iced green tea?
Yeah, does you want the sweetener?
No, thank you. I've been craving some green tea, so I'm gonna run a little late to work to get some. Got the green tea, on my way to work. Alright, so I just got to work. The reason I got to work really early is because, well, is because I have to go to Orland after work to shoot a real estate video, and I have to get out there before the sun goes down, and that's around like 4:30, 4:40. So I need to leave Chico at around 3:30 latest. Leaving work to go get some lunch. I'm looking for something a little healthy and that I can spend a lot of money on. Let's see what I come up with. So that's where we're gonna go, but first we have to go in here and get a bike. This is a ride, huh?
What's that?
This is a ride. Salads are good, but are they worth the $9?
Yeah.
So I just got off work, heading home. Not gonna go fly because the weather wasn't all that great. It's pretty cloudy. Good for time lapses. Could be better for real estate videos. So I'm gonna go home. I have a few projects that I gotta finish up and work on. Website, and then I started working on a demo reel kind of for myself. Try and finish that up and then go to the gym. just got home from work, but most likely gonna have to scratch everything that I just told you I was gonna do, because I think we're gonna go get a Christmas tree instead, which is gonna turn into decorating said Christmas tree and hanging out. Alright, so today's vlog was kind of short, hodgepodgey. Not used to talking in front of the camera again. That's like I gotta relearn it since it's been so long since I've done this. Only got to one project that I wanted to, and that's this demo reel deal. And then I realized I do not have a lot of the shots that I got in 2015 because I had hard drive troubles and I lost them all. So this is what I got. You can check it out now. And that's it. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see y'all mañana. Peace.
Are you guys ready for Brandon's best vlog yet? You better be.
What's up, what's up? Monday morning, back to the grind. Today is gonna be one of the busier weeks that I have all year just because of Black Friday.